Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new Warzone 3 tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue of connection failed in Call of Duty Warzone 3. Now if you keep getting this error message and you can't play Warzone, what you need to do when it comes up, don't select retry, select go offline. Then you're going to enter the offline menu back all the way out to the home screen and then press X and restart the whole game again. Now when you restart, ultimately, it forces you, once you select Warzone, to reconnect to the servers, and once you reconnect, it should connect just fine. And it's a really bizarre thing. You can see right now I've rejoined a Warzone lobby. I'm about to be in the loading screen, and I'm actually going to pop off with this sniper. But in essence, I wanted to drop a really quick fix for how to solve the issue of the connection failing and going offline and the retrying not work. Sometimes weird stuff happens with tech, and on my case at the very least, I just had to back out further back to the home screen and restart that whole process of essentially starting Warzone Battle Royale to be able to play. So I hope this has helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, take care, and subscribe. Feel free to join my channel, or if there's anything else you need help with, I'd be delighted to help. Take care.